Jai Ho! India through to the Asia Cup finals! Defeated Sri Lanka by 41 runs! By 41 runs, India has defeated Sri Lanka! India is through to the Asia Cup finals! An unbelievable, fascinating game of cricket. After a long time, I have seen such a low-scoring game of cricket. It was absolutely fascinating. Rocking game of cricket. Absolutely rocking game of cricket. Mind-blowing game of cricket. Whole batsman, today our batting lineup has completely failed. Completely failed in a round turner of a wicket. That Nakamuka spinner is there basically. That fellow, who is that fellow? I God only knows, 20 years old, that Nakamuka spinner. I don't know who is this Nakamuka spinner. What bowling he has bowled, he has cleaned up our top four basically. He has cleaned up our top four. He has got the wicket of Rohit Sharma with an absolute peach of a delivery. Then he has got rid of our, who is that player, man? Shubman Gill also. What a peach of a delivery that one was. Unplayable. Two unplayable deliveries. Bowled. Kohli also, the ball stuck onto the wicket. And Kohli was true to his shot and he has gone to the back to the pavilion. And KL Rahul was playing so well. Only KL Rahul looked comfortable against the spinners. And our luck is very good that rain has come. The pitch became easier to bat on after the rain and Akshar Patel has striked few sixer and boundaries and everything and took the score to 200 above. अगर अक्षर पटेल बारिश नहीं होता तो 100 200 तक भी नहीं पहुंचता लेकिन अक्षर पटेल ने वो बाउंड्री स्कोर किया लेकिन वो नाकामुका स्पिनर्स all the 10 wickets has been taken by Nakamuka spinner and that Apripode, who is that Apripode spinner? God only knows. Sri Lankan bowling lineup, they are without their that left-armer seamer is there, one left-armer spinner. Chamira is absent, Hasaranga is absent. Still they have managed to pick up 10 wickets and bundled out India for around 212 runs. So seriously, they have bowled extremely well. But our bowl, हम किसी से कम नहीं है. Kuldeep Yadav last clean bowled absolutely. But the crucial wicket was of Dhananjay De Silva. In that over, that Nakamuka spinner with the bat also, he almost got a half century. He hit Kuldeep for 6 runs. He batted extremely well. He'll be absolutely kicking himself. He was a lone warrior for Sri Lanka. So that over, he has timed the ball really well. Okay, he has timed the ball and he has hit a boundary. Then after that, the Dhananjay De Silva absolutely should be rotating the strike. But instead, he also tried to become a hero. But he has become a zero. And after that, India was back into the match. Then Surya Kumar Yadav, what a catch that one was. What a catch. Absolutely brilliant catch to get rid of Tikshana. That was an absolutely mind-blowing catch. That one was world-class catch. And last, Kuldeep Yadav has come. 1 over 2 wickets. Satang. To get rid of those two tailenders. And we wrapped up the match and we have won by around 41 runs. We have won it. Superb bowling performance by Team India. Absolutely brilliant. I predicted today that we hit around 212 runs. By 180 runs, we are going to bundle out Sri Lanka. And my prediction became absolutely correct. Superb bowling. Initially also 25 for 3. Bumrah has bowled extremely well. He got rid of the opener and then he got rid of that another player also. He took up 2 wickets. Then Siraj also has taken the wicket. In the slips, Shubman Gill has caught it. Fast bowlers have done the job. 25 for 3 they were. Okay. And our team was in driver's seat. Completely driver's seat. 99 for 6. 99 for 6 it one was that our team was in a complete driver's seat. Means we should have bundled out Sri Lanka below 120 or below 130. We should have bundled them out. But that Nakamuka spinner and that Dhananjay Silva, both of them built up a 50 runs partnership. Means they were about to take the game away from India. But Ravindra Jadeja, what a over he has bowled. And after that, seriously, superb bowling by Ravindra Jadeja. He became unplayable later. So, today's match, our batsman has completely failed. It was a bowling wicket basically. It was a complete rank turner of a wicket. Seriously, the spinners were absolutely getting turned. Rohit Sharma has hit a half century. And Shubman Gill, they built a 80 runs partnership in the starting innings. First innings they have built a 80 runs partnership. That was first 10 overs. Where there was no spinners and Seamers was not getting any help or anything. So 80 for no loss. In the 12th over or 11th or 12th over that Nakamuka spinner has come. Then he cleaned up that Shubman Gill. Absolutely peach of a delivery that one was. Then he cleaned up Kohli also. That Kohli, he dismissed Kohli. Then he cleaned everyone. He cleaned Rohit Sharma also. Then somehow, patiently, that Hospital Rahul and Ishan Kishan, somehow they steadied the innings and did a 50 runs partnership. I thought KL Rahul will play better. he will basically play better. But yesterday his stamina went off. He's playing one day and he just got stuck onto the crease. He didn't know which shot to play, whether to play a cover drive or whether to play on the leg side. He didn't know. He was absolutely clueless and he gave a cash practice to that and he got dismissed. Seriously. And Ishan Kishan also, he also he also tried to play a shot, aggressive shot. He tried to up the antics, but that again it was Nakamura spinner who caught the ball. Means that was an amazing catch, that one also. So after that, somehow Akshar Patel steadied the ship with the tailenders and everything, and somehow by hook or by crook we reached 212 runs. Somehow we have reached. So that was a fighting total. Honestly, in this rank turner we had 3 spinners. Today we played 3 spinners, and all the 10 wickets, whatever Sri Lanka has taken, all the 10 wickets were taken by the spinners. Okay, Nakamura spinner has taken 5 wickets. That Apripode spinner has taken 4 wickets. Then that another spinner Tikshan has taken 1 wicket. So totally 10 wickets they have taken. And our spinners, they have taken 6 wickets. Kuldeep Yadav has taken 4 wickets. Ravindra Jadeja has taken 2 wickets. So 16 total out of 20 wickets. 16 wickets has been taken by spinners. So it's a complete evidence that it was a rank turner of a wicket. Rank turner of a wicket. To our bowling, we bowled extremely well. Bumrah is in complete rhythm. He's looking very good. He's giving very good and he's picking up wickets in the early 10 overs, in the power play overs, early spell, in his early first spell, he's picking up wickets. It is a good sign for India. Absolutely brilliant sign for India. He's looking in full rhythm. Siraj is also supporting him really well. And spinner Kuldeep Yadav is also in superb touch. Yesterday also 5 wickets he has taken. No break, no nothing was there. Today also he came back and took up 4 wickets. No break, no nothing. Lage raho bas, that's it. Less than 24 hours was there. Within that only he has taken totally, in 24 hours he has taken total 9 wickets he has taken. It's a very good sign for India. Bowling performance is absolutely brilliant. Ravindra Jadeja also has bowled superb. Superb he has bowled. Really, the way he has got rid of that Dhananjay De Silva, the way he has tricked him and the way he has provoked him, it was absolutely superb. So Ravindra Jadeja also has bowled really well. He picked up good wickets also. There also slip catch was there. And Kuldeep Yadav also today, that batsman he got rid of who played well against Bangladesh also. So he got rid of that batsman who played well against Bangladesh. He got rid of the danger man. He absolutely invited him and stumping and everything. Only one thing I didn't understand is that why Ishan Kishan is fielding and why KL Rahul is wicket keeping. Consecutive 2 days, why this is happening, I really don't understand. What is team management thinking? One professional keeper is basically there. Ishan Kishan is a professional keeper. He should be keeping wickets. KL Rahul should be fielding. KL Rahul is playing as a batsman. Why is he keeping wickets? Really, God only knows. I really don't understand. That Ishan Kishan has dropped the catch of that Apripode. He has dropped the catch of that Apripode. Seriously, it was goodwill of Kuldeep Yadav that next over he dismissed that Apripode and sent him back to the pavilion. That Apripode can spin also he can spin the ball also well. He can play the spinners also really well. His footwork is really, really good. So I really don't understand. Ishan Kishan is not a good fielder. He's a wicket keeper. So you are making a wicket keeper field and you are making a fielder wicket keep. Really, I don't understand. KL Rahul is a part-time wicket keeper. That's it. If there is no keeper, if there is no keeping option available, then you have to make KL Rahul keep. This is a simple common sense and simple basic. Simple basics. If you are not following, really, I don't understand what this thing. It can hunt us down in the future. Maybe today somehow we have won the match. Somehow the spinners have bowled extremely well, and somehow the pitch also was a rank turner, and our bowling lineup somehow has clicked. So we have won the match. But seriously, basics. These we have to get simple basics correct. Somehow that Apripode was trapped in the next over, and that Kuldeep has got rid of him. Simple as that. And Akshar Patel was a total disaster. Akshar Patel selection, he has batted well, but bowling he was a complete failure. Neither his ball is turning, he's getting whacked, he's neither effective, nothing. Only 5 overs he has bowled. That's it. Remaining 5 overs, Hardik Pandya had to come in and bowl to cover up the 5th bowling option. Basically, means 5 overs by Akshar Patel and 5 overs by Hardik Pandya. 10 overs, 5th bowling option. So Akshar Patel's selection was a complete disaster. So I really don't understand whether in the World Cup also, World Cup squad is also selected. Maybe in Indian pitches Akshar Patel will bowl well, but Akshar Patel is seriously not effective. Nothing is there. Rohit Sharma should bowl few of off spin. Why he is not bowling, God only knows. Even Sri Lanka, they have gotten 7 bowling options, and their main batsmen are also rolling down their arms. They are also rolling down their arms, and they are bowling. Part-timers are only bowling, and part-timers are only picking up wickets, and part-timers have stopped the run, and we couldn't play our part-timers also. So today also, if Rohit Sharma could have bowled few overs, 1 or 2 overs, not much harm, because the wicket mein madad mil raha tha. विकेट में बहुत मदद मिल रहा था, इट वॉज अ स्पिनिंग विकेट. सो दिस इज द मैच रिजल्ट. एनीवेज वी हैव वन, वी हैव रीच्ड द फाइनल्स. Next we are playing against Bangladesh. We can try out few players like Sky, or we can try out Tilak Verma. Let's see what happens, what will be the selection and everything. Or they'll go with the same squad, God knows. अरे जो भी हो मीन्स फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, कुछ नहीं पड़ता है. लेकिन पाकिस्तान वर्सेस श्रीलंका बहुत डेंजरस मैच होगा. जिस तरह से घंटे का किंग बाबर आजम खेल रहा है, जिम्बाब्वे खेल रहा है, और जिस तरह से रिजवान बंदरों की तरह उछल रहा है, श्रीलंका दैट नाकामुका स्पिनर कैन गेट rid of both of them, and crowd is also on their favor. Today hardly any Indian supporters were there, full Sri Lankan only were supporting, so it was away crowd. So जिस तरह से खेल रहा है तो पाकिस्तान को मतलब पाकिस्तान बाहर चला जाएगा. तो मीडिया ज्यादा इंडिया पाकिस्तान इंडिया पाकिस्तान इंडिया पाकिस्तान क्यों कर रहा है मेरे को पता नहीं. अगर इंडिया श्रीलंका के साथ फाइनल्स खेलेगा, क्या हमारा नुन्नू छोटा हो जाएगा? क्या आपका नुन्नू क्या छोटा हो जाएगा? या आपका छाती 56 इंच से 30 इंच हो जाएगा और आप ब्लाउज भी नहीं पहन सकते हो? तो क्यों इंडिया पाकिस्तान कर रहे हो मेरे को मालूम नहीं है. या आपके मतलब बगल के बालों पूरा झड़ जाएगा, या आपके सर के बाल पूरा झड़ के पूरा मतलब टकलू हो जाओगे. मतलब क्या है इंडिया पाकिस्तान का फैसिनेशन, ऑब्सेशन क्या है फाइनल्स में? मेरे को पता नहीं है क्या है. मेरे को भेजो प्लीज. इंडिया वर्सेस श्रीलंका होगा तो भी मेरे को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान होगा तो भी मेरे को कुछ घंटा भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. दोनों टीम ही मतलब श्रीलंका ने तो आज बेहतर खेला है. Srilanka played better cricket. Srilanka batted also better, and bowling also they did better. What did Pakistan do? 350 runs they have conceded. Simply डरा रहे बस, धमका रहे बस, और बैटिंग तो कुछ नहीं किया है. घंटे का लौड़े का कुछ बैटिंग वही चुतिया बैटिंग. और नसीम शाह और हारिस रऊफ तो पूरा हॉस्पिटल में सरेंडर करके चला गया था. तो इंडिया पाकिस्तान का ऑब्सेशन क्या है भाई? इंडिया पाकिस्तान का ऑब्सेशन क्या है? मीडिया वालों प्लीज बताओ.